Welcome to our Spring Boot tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are building a simple REST API endpoint with Spring Boot to handle HTTP requests. In the last video, we learned how to create a Spring Boot project and how to run a Spring Boot application. If you missed it, please watch that video first. Afterward, you can watch this video. Click on the eye icon to learn how to create a Spring Boot project. Let's open IntelliJ and load the project you created last time. Alright, so let's begin creating our REST controller. First, create a package. Right-click on the folder Spring Boot folder or where you want to create package. In the context menu that appears, hover over the New option. In the submenu that appears, select to Package. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the name of the package. Enter the desired name for your package. I enter controller. Press Enter to create the package. So now I'm going to create a new class in this package. Right-click on your controller package. It to open the context menu. From the submenu, choose the Java class option. This tells IntelliJ IDEA that you want to create a new Java class within the controller package. Once you've selected a Java class, IntelliJ IDEA will prompt you to enter a name for the new class. I call it my REST controller. Now that the class file has been created successfully, open the myRESTController class file. And annotate controller class with @RESTController to indicate that it will handle RESTful requests. This tells Spring that this class will handle HTTP requests and return the response in a format suitable for RESTful web services. In detail about the @RESTController annotation, we will explain in a later video. Next, define a method called HelloWorld inside our controller class. This method simply returns Hello World. And next annotate this method with @getMapping and inside getMapping annotation type hello. It's specifying that it will handle GET requests at the /hello endpoint. In detail about the @get annotation, we will explain in a later video. Now, let's run our Spring Boot application and test our REST API endpoint. Our application is up and running. Let's open a web browser and type http://localhost 8080/hello into the address bar, then press enter. This is awesome. So we're getting our Hello World response based on the code that we just created. Our simple REST API endpoint is working as expected. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tutorials.